I know you broke ass love chicken and soda, and I know there's nothing like fried chicken, but it's always nice to have something different, especially when you can put your favorite food and drink together. So let me show you how to make this most addictive chicken in China, Coke chicken. And let's get it. Marinate your chicken in soy sauce and nothing else. 10 minutes are enough, but if you don't trust the power of soy sauce, make it longer. Heat a wok or pan, oil in. When the temperature rises, some ginger slices. When you smell the ginger, slide in your chicken one by one, low heat. Shallow fry for 6 minutes each side. Just in case you're curious about the oil temperature, when we Chinese cooking, we don't use stuff like thermometer, okay? We don't measure seasoning with teaspoon. We don't use water cup. Matter of fact, we don't even need to measure rice water with finger. We eyeball those bitches. Despite that, eyeballs are fucking free. I mean, it's already boring enough to eat your food when you know the flavor comes from which ingredient. Now I gotta know it comes from how many grains of salt? Give me a break, Karen. If you fail this time, do it better next time. Keep making the same dish is how you make it your signature to impress your guest, Karen. When the chicken looks nice and brown, we pour in the Coke, just enough to submerge the chicken. Drop the spring onion, a high heat turn it to boil. Skin off the foam, more sugar, a little salt, a little soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. If you don't have dark soy sauce, just forget it. It's for color. Low heat, let it boil for 15 minutes. By the way, I'm not sure about using other sodas. I think the reason why we're using Coke is because of the color matches with soy sauce. If you have transparent seasoning, you can try Sprite and let me know, cause I'm super curious about how it's gonna taste. Okay, 15 minutes later, pick out the spring onion and ginger. Medium heat, reduce the juice till you're satisfied. Don't turn up the high heat, it's gonna burn the sugar. And here you have it, Coke chicken.